Hanji, good morning students. Today we will start the Climate of India chapter. Chapter number 4. Everyone see on the page number, concentrate on the page number 110. But first of all, in the introduction part, it is mentioned that the climate of the country is mainly based on the study of its temperature, rainfall, atmospheric pressure, direction of wind. But there is a great difference between that the climate and the weather is there. First of all, you should know about what is climate. But a climate means average weather condition for a large area for a long period of time, whereas weather, a state of atmosphere for a short period for small area is there. So the climate of India is beta mostly that is greatly influenced by two factors there. If you see on your book page number 111, there is a one map is given here in which they represent that Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of your country is there, which divide the country into two half is there. If you see in the northern half is called temperate north and southern portion is called a south tropical zone is there. And if you see that the Himalaya make a arc from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh is there, which protect us from the cold wind coming from Central Asia and also intercept the southwest monsoon during summer season. So it act as a climatic barrier is there. But if you see that the latitudinal extent of your country is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degrees 6 minute north is there. That means the distance covered between north to south is 3200 kilometer. But if one factor which unify the climate of whole India, that is a monsoon is there. But a monsoon is a Arabic word which means mausim or season is there. Means that the wind which have to be alternatively changed with the change in pressure belt is there. So if you see that India lies between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, so variety of climate prevail over India. It has unique location with the over India prevail over India. Bete. It has a unique location that Himalaya in the north, okay, in the west Arabian Sea, east Bay of Bengal and south that there is a Indian Ocean is there, okay, which act as a major climatic control. Both temperate and tropical wet dry climate are there in India is there. In India, bete, there are large difference in the climatic condition, even though most of that India is lies in the tropical monsoon region is there. If you see Andaman and Nicobar, these are the two island have that the equatorial type of climatic condition is there, while western and this is the western part, this is the western part and the northern part is there, okay, in India have that the means we can say that there is a cold dry condition is there. Heavy monsoon rain occur in that the eastern part, western part and that the northeastern part is there. So different kind of climatic condition is there, but there is a one factor which unify the climate of India, that is a monsoon is there. Therefore the climate of India term as a tropical monsoon type of climate. If you see the temperature condition during that the summer, the places north of the Tropic of Cancer, this is the Tropic of Cancer and north of the Tropic of Cancer experience that the continental type of climate. Means these places like Rajasthan is there, then Jammu Kashmir is there, Punjab is there, Haryana is there, okay, UP is there, Bihar is there. These are far away from that the effect of the sea breeze is there. So they experience continental type of climate is there. Continental type of climate means when there is a great difference between summer and winter temperature is there, that is called continental type of climate. Here summers are very hot and winters are very cold is there. But you can see in the Rajasthan Thar desert, their temperature reach in summer 50 degrees Celsius is there. Okay, while Dras sector in J&K near Kargil sector, their temperatures minus 40 degrees Celsius during winter season is there. So you can see in winter and summer there is a great difference in temperature is there. Then the places south of the Tropic of Cancer and which is lies near the equator passes through near there the Sri Lanka is there, okay, there's equator means passes there, even then they remain hot, okay, but their temperature is 24 to 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year, but they do not experience winter. The reason, because the three side it is covered by the water body, so land and sea breeze During the daytime, sea breeze is blowing. During the nighttime, land breeze is blowing, which maintain the temperature of this region is there. And in these regions there is no so high hill mountains are there, so they are not snow covered mountains are found in this region is there. Okay, the places situated on the west to east coastline, west to east like Maharashtra, Mumbai is there, Mangaluru is there, Goa is there, Mangaluru is there, Kochi is there in the western side, you can see that. Okay, they experience oceanic type of climate is there, means here summers are not very hot, not very cold is there, because of the moderating influence of the sea is there. Whereas the places in the north which we talk about, that the Jaipur is there, Punjab is there, Delhi is there, Lucknow is there, they experience continental climate is there, because in the summer or winter temperature great difference is found there. Okay, next we talk about that the rainfall, but the annual rainfall in India also varies is there. Okay, western ghat of India that receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay, but in the middle portion of India get 100 centimeter of rainfall is there. If we talk about Rajasthan, it get only 25 to 50 centimeter rainfall is there. Okay, but if we talk about northeastern part of India, it get there the rainfall 1187 centimeters, especially in the Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, Mawesnaram is the place, is the name of the place. Okay, that is lies in the Chirapunji, which get that the 1187 centimeter rainfall is there. So great difference in the means rainfall found in the India is there. But in India, the nature of the monsoon is erratic is there, means we can't say that at particular time that the rainfall will come is there. Sometime it come early, sometime it come late is there. As a result, most of the part of India during the summer season, we know about that some area come under the flood is there, some places have that the drought condition is there. Okay, now we talk about that the two coasts of Indian peninsula are just reverse in position is there. Western coast get that the more rainfall, more than 200 centimeter of rainfall during the summer season, June to September, from the southwest monsoon wind is there, while the eastern coast of India remain comparatively dry, or sometimes it not get the rainfall is there. Okay, only Coromandel coast we can say that the get rainfall during the summer season is there, remaining whole portion is get that the dry means experience the dry condition is there. In India, some part of the India get that the like Punjab and Haryana get rainfall during that the winter season is there, and Coromandel coast also get rainfall during the winter season is there. If we talk about the Himalayan region, because of high altitude, Himalaya have three ranges. Bete Himachal, we can say that Himachal, Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik is there, and the high hill mountains of the Himalaya get the heavy snowfall during winter season is there. While in the South India also have the mountain system is there, but it not get that much amount of snowfall, because of that the less height is there, and they are also lies near the equator is there. Now let's talk about that which factor affecting the temperature of the place is there. First of all, we talk about that the location is there. But a location, if you see that the vast north and south extent of India itself is a factor which contributes, which control the climate. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of your country is there, which divide the country into two parts. Northern part is called north temperate. Okay, southern part is called the south tropical zone is there. Because the northernmost part of India is occupied by high mountain is there, and the places situated north of the Tropic of Cancer experience there the continental type of climate is there. Where in the south they experience the oceanic type of climate is there. Okay, because of that the three sides of water body is there, because of the shape of that the earth of the India, that is covered by three sides of water body. Western side if you see, there is a Arabian Sea, eastern side Bay of Bengal, and southern part is there is a Indian Ocean is there. So southern portion experience that the continental type of climate is there. Beta. Second is the influence of the Himalaya. Beta, I told you Himalaya act as a climatic barrier is there, because it arc shape it is formed in India is there, from J&K to Arunachal Pradesh is there. but this Himalaya protect us during the winter season from the cold wind which coming from Central Asia is there, and during summer season also Himalaya intercept that the southwest monsoon. Otherwise, we will not get rainfall during summer season if Himalaya is not there, because Indian rainfall is orographic in nature, and if there is no means moisture laden wind is not obstructed by that the mountains or plateau, we will not get rainfall is there. So that's why we said that Himalaya act as a climatic barrier is there. Third point is the altitude is there bete. However you go higher, temperature start decreasing is there, as we know that due to normal lapse rate is there. Atmosphere start heating up, below upward is there, and when temperature start decreasing with increase in height, that is called a normal lapse rate is there. That's why hill stations are cooler during that the summer season, because of their height is there, and the height temperature start decreasing is there. Next we talk about that the distance from the sea. But in places which is situated near that the water body, they experience that the oceanic type of climate, because land and sea breeze, they have to maintain the temperature of the place. Okay, the places which is far away from the sea, like that the Punjab, Haryana, UP, Rajasthan, Jaipur, they experience continental type of climate. This happened due to because means that when the sea breeze reach to this area, they become dry, they do not give any kind of effect is there. Okay, this is the reason they experience continental type of climate is there. Next is the western disturbance or tropical cyclone bete. During winter season, there is a temperate cyclone originate from the Mediterranean Sea. After crossing that the Iran and Iraq, they enter into India, and they is stuck with the Himalaya. During winter season, temperature is low, the moisture laden winds start rising upward and it freeze down. It form that the snow, and that's why in the hill station during the winter season snowfall occur when temperature little bit start increasing. Then they have to become in the form of rain in Punjab and Haryana. After giving the rainfall to Punjab and Haryana, they deflect to their path is there, and then they move to the in the northeast direction, enter into Bay of Bengal, pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal again, and stuck with that the Coromandel coast and give that the rainfall is there. Next is the upper air current or jet stream is there. Beta, the air which is move in that the upper layer of the atmosphere, that determine that the means the arrival and the departure of that the monsoon is there. These are the factors which affect that the climate of India. The next lecture better we will discuss about the climate of India.